You don't want another estimate, you want certainty. That's what most patients are really craving. They want to know what's wrong, what can be done, what will it take, and how long will it actually last. They're tired of vague language, temporary solutions, and feeling like each appointment uncovers a new surprise. Certainty is what starts rebuilding trust after years of frustration and delay. People don't move forward because they love treatment. They move forward because the path finally feels clear enough to trust.